show you how to set up a free VPN based on CloudFlare, and this is so easy. You just need a Wireguard application and a Python file, this one. This Python file is open source, so you can read the code. You don't have to worry about it. So let's get started. It's so easy. Just run this application, put yes, and ask him please enter private key. So for getting private key, look this up. Hit the plus button and hit add empty tunnel. Then this is your private key. Paste, hit enter. Then it is asking public key. This time paste your public key and hit enter. Just wait. And as you can see, this is your configuration file to connect your CloudFlare VPN for free. No server, no bullshit, no anything. Just easy as fuck. Okay, copy this and remove everything and paste, and use a name like YouTube CloudFlare. Save, and this time hit to activate. As you can see, data received and data sent and latest handshake, blah blah blah, everything working perfectly. Check your IP address. This was my IP address, and I'm connecting to YouTube CloudFlare, and check this IP address. Okay, perfect. Basically, I'm using CloudFlare warp service for free, and it is pretty safe and so fast. All I can say that, as you can see, the score is pretty good too. So hit me up any questions. I will see you next video. Cheers.